Hello children, welcome back. In our last session, we started the lesson Galileo. We all know that he was greatest scientist, astronomer and he discovered modern telescope. We completed till paragraph 4 and in today's class we will going to continue the next paragraph, that is 5th. Greatly excited by these discoveries, Galileo carried his telescope to Venice and showed it to the learned men of that city. The people of Venice crowded at his house to have a look at the looking tube. They took it to the top of high buildings and looked through it at the ships out in the sea. They saw ships 50 miles away appearing to be only 15 miles off. When the ruler of Venice was shown the instrument, he was greatly pleased with the invention and appointed Galileo professor for life at the University of Padua. Greatly excited by these discoveries, when Galileo get amazed, surprised by these discoveries, when he discovered stars, Milky Way, mountains, surface on the moon, etc. He took the telescope to the Venice city. Venice, it is the name of one city. There he showed to the learned men of Venice, means educated men of Venice, what he saw through the telescope. He showed what he saw through the telescope, like moon, surface on the moon, that have mountains, stars, Milky Way, all those things he shown to the learned men of Venice. He explained then about that. Their people were very much excited to hear that all. People of Venice city, they become excited and they were coming to his house, and even they also took the chance to see the looking tube. Looking tube means telescope. They took the telescope on the top of high building and saw through it. What they saw? They saw ships out in the sea. The ships which were 50 km away, which looks like 50 km near to the seashore. So people were very happy, very much happy with this invention. When the ruler of Venice was shown, Venice was shown the instrument, he was greatly pleased with the invention and appointed Galileo professor for life at the University of Padua. So this news somehow heard by the ruler of Venice. This news reached to the king of Venice. He was happy and he called Galileo and he appreciated him and appointed as professor at the University of Padua. Next, sixth paragraph. The first telescope that Galileo made magnified objects 3 times their size. Later, he made one that magnified them 8 times. But he went on working on larger and larger ones until he made a telescope which brought objects 30 times nearer. Okay, the first time what telescope he invented made the object look 3 times bigger. Later he made one that magnified them 8 times. Later, second time, which he prepared, that telescope made the things look 8 times bigger than with its actual size. But he went on working on larger and larger ones until he made a telescope which brought objects 30 times nearer. Galileo went on working on the telescope and finally he made the telescope which made the things look 30 times bigger than its actual size. Seventh paragraph. With the aid of this telescope, he made important discoveries about the heavenly bodies. He found that the planet Jupiter had little moons that revolved round it. He found that the sun had spots on it and that the spots slowly moved across its face. He found from this that the sun, like the earth, spins round itself. With the aid of this telescope, he made important discoveries about the heavenly bodies. He found that the planet Jupiter had little moons that revolved round it. So, with the help of this newly invented telescope, he started to discover about the heavenly bodies. Many other things about heavenly bodies. He discovered first that Jupiter had three little moons. Later, those moons named as Galilean moons. He found that the sun had spots on it and that the spots slowly moved across its face. He found from this that sun, like the earth, spins round itself. And later, with the help of that telescope, he noticed that sun had spots on it, and those spots slowly moved across its face. And also he noticed that sun is also revolving in its own place. 8th paragraph. Some 50 years earlier, a Polish astronomer called Copernicus had declared that the earth was a planet like the other planets. Then, some 50 years earlier, 50 years back, before Galileo said that sun is at the center and other planets are moving around the sun, this said by the Polish astronomer called Copernicus. He declared that earth was also a planet like the other planets and our earth also revolved round the sun. Copernicus could not, however, prove this to the men of this day, and few people paid any great attention to his ideas. But Copernicus was failed to prove that sun is at the center and other planets used to revolve around the sun. And people also did not pay any attention to this idea, to his idea. So next, Galileo was the first great student of astronomy to realize that the ideas of Copernicus were true. So here Galileo was the first person who believed that ideas of Copernicus, that he realized sun is at the center and other planets are revolving around the sun, and the first scholar to begin to teach them at the university. His new teaching caused great excitement among the learned men. So here Galileo was the first person who believed that the ideas of Copernicus was true. Galileo's teaching became a sensation and it created a excitement among the people because it meant that all their teaching was completely wrong. They began to oppose him and many of them because became his enemies. So some educated people of those days started to oppose him, to oppose Galileo. The church people, they became angry because his teaching is completely opposite to the church people, what they taught to the people. Then he got into trouble with the church. So he fell into the trouble. His ideas about the sun and the earth were different from what the Bible seemed to say. So the followers of the church began to look upon him as a wicked and dangerous man. So his ideas, what was his ideas? That sun is at the center and all the other planets are revolving around it. This idea was completely opposite to the what the Bible seemed to say. So people of church look him as a wicked, as a dangerous man. They treated him like a evil or a dangerous man. The church had in those days a court called the Inquisition, which tried and punished those that it considered unbelievers. Inquisition, the meaning of Inquisition, it is one organization set up by the Roman Catholic Church to punish people who opposed its beliefs. So it is one organization in those days to punish the unbelievers. So they called Galileo at the court. Galileo was asked to appear before this court. He was questioned about his beliefs and was asked to kneel and declare that he no longer believed that the earth moved round the sun. So they called Galileo to the court and told him to kneel down on his legs and told him to not believe sun is at the center, and they also questioned about his beliefs, and they made him to ask the apology to the church people. He knew that if he refused to make this declaration, he might be put in prison and perhaps tortured. As he feared torture, Galileo obeyed their order. There is a story that he rose from his knees after his public declaration. He whispered to himself, but still it does move. The court ordered Galileo not to teach his wicked ideas anymore. He understood that what he understood, the church people going to do with him something wrong. So he thought that it would be more better to obey their order, because he feared of torture, and if he refused he might be in trouble, he might be in prison. To avoid that punishment, he accepted to follow their order, the court's order. Did he mean it really? No. He thought that if apologize, the truth will not change. If he apologize, the truth will never change. And also court ordered to the Galileo not to teach his wrong ideas to the people. They believe he is spreading wrong ideas to the people. So the court people, they thought to punish him. But Galileo did not obey the church's order for long. He continues his studies and after a time started teaching his ideas again. Besides, he wrote a book in which he criticized the old beliefs. When the book came out, the Inquisition once again ordered him to appear before it to be tried as a non believer. After a long trial, he was sent to prison. But as he was now an old man, he was allowed to go home 22 days later. But Galileo did not follow the court order for a long time. He knows that the truth. He knows the truth. Again, he started to teach the people. He also started to write a book in which he criticized the old belief. So when once again he started to write one book. His book came out. So again Inquisition called by the court. He did not keep him for long time. After 22 days later, after 22 days later, he was sent to the home. After a long time, he was finally in prison, but after 22 days, the court relieved him because he was old. He did not keep him for a long time. After 22 days later, he was sent to his home. Okay, student, this is all about the Galileo. I hope you have understood this lesson about the Galileo, a great astronomer, how much trouble he has taken to teach the truth to the people in his life, for making them educated with his truthness. So children, read this lesson once again following the correct pronunciation. Now we will discuss the true or false. Sometimes sentences given below are not true. Correct them and write them down. Discuss the points with your partner. The first one is, learned men have always believed that the earth moves round the sun. Is that true or not true? This is not true. Sorry. This is not true. This is false. Learned men always believed that the earth was fixed in space, and the sun and all other heavenly bodies were also went round it. Next one, the first telescope ever made was invented by the Lippershey. Yes, it is true. The first telescope was invented by Lippershey. Galileo thought a telescope would help him in his studies. Yes, it is true. Galileo thought that telescope will help him in his studies, for further studies. Galileo watched the heavenly bodies in the clear night sky. Yes, it is true. Galileo watched the heavenly bodies and many other things like moon, everything clear at night. The people of Venice also turned the looking tube towards the night sky. Yes, it is true or not true? The people of Venice also turned the looking tube towards the night sky. It is true. Galileo went on improving his telescope. It is also true. He went on working on the telescope. He went on improving his telescopes. Copernicus had already said what Galileo was saying. Yes, it is also true. The thought of Galileo and the thought of Copernicus, the what they said was true. The church set Galileo free because it finally agreed with his ideas. No, it is not at all true. He never agreed to the court's order, means what they taught. He always agreed with his ideas that sun is at the center and other planets revolve around the sun. Next, this is question answer. Let's discuss now. How is our knowledge about the earth different from the knowledge of people, even learned men, some 400 years ago? Okay, it is common knowledge today that the sun is at the center and earth and other planets are moving around it. Okay, but there was a time not many centuries ago when even learned men, educated people used to believe that the earth was fixed in space and sun and all other heavenly bodies went around the earth. Okay, who corrected people's thinking about our earth in the 17th century? Who corrected? Yes, it is Galileo. Galileo corrected the people's thinking. What is Lippershey's contribution to astronomy? His contribution was really remarkable. Lippershey invented the telescope first, the instrument with which astronomers watch the skies. The telescope makes distant object appears to be near and magnified several times over. Next one, what is the Milky Way? What is the Milky Way, children? It is a broad white band of light seen across the sky at night and contains millions and millions of faint stars, that is Milky Way. Next one, in what ways is the moon similar to the earth? In what way the moon is similar to our earth? We can say that on the moon's surface, which seems so smooth, it has high mountains and deep valleys like which our earth has. Okay, that those are the similarities. Why was Galileo appointed professor at the University of Padua? The people of Venice saw ships 50 miles away appearing to be only 15 miles near. When the telescope was shown to the ruler of Venice, he was greatly surprised. He was greatly happy with this invention, and so he appointed Galileo as the professor of University of Padua. He appreciated and he appointed him. What were the two important discoveries Galileo made with his much improved telescope? What was their inventions? With his much improved telescope, the Galileo found that the planet Jupiter had little moons that revolved around it and found that the sun had spots upon it and that the spots slowly moved across its surface, across its face, sorry. He found from this that the sun, like the earth, spins round itself. Sun is also spins. It revolves around itself like the earth. Who had made discoveries similar to Galileo's in the 16th century? It is Copernicus. He was the Polish astronomer. What trouble did Galileo bring upon himself by telling truths about the heavenly bodies? Galileo's new teaching caused great excitement among the learned men because it meant that all their own teaching was completely wrong. So they began to oppose him, and many of them became his enemies. Then he got into trouble with the church. Next one. What is the ironic story about Galileo facing the Inquisition? What was the ironic story? Galileo knelt and declared that he no longer believed that the earth moved round the sun. As he rose from his knees, he whispered to himself, "But still it does move." This is the ironic story. Okay, children, this is all about the lesson Galileo, and we also discussed the true or false and question and answers. Thank you.